or Ida 60 curly fries. Disclaimer, I'm not advertising or Ida, but this is my favorite curly fries. So, using the air fryer. Now, let's make some smoothie. Strawberry smoothie and mango strawberry. Strawberry mango smoothie. Scoop of protein powder, here whey protein powder. Yeah. Add oat milk, so perfect for my lunch. Go. Let's grind it. My mango strawberry smoothie. Using my magic ball to make my smoothie. There we go. Then summer. It's summertime. See, I have a bonus for you. Bonus, my little umbrella to make it my smoothie official. Okay, oops. See? My little Japanese umbrella, cocktail umbrella. Okay, it's smoothie time. This way. Plus my french fries. There we go. It's lunchtime. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I had to enjoy my lunch for today. Bye bye.